Welcome back to the channel. Today we're headed to the Electrify America location at the parking lot of a Meijer in Oak Creek. We're heading down I-94, heading south, coming from Milwaukee to the Ikea exit, Drexel Ave, exit 321. So we're going to take a left here at the top of the exit ramp. And sit in more traffic. This is about a mile and a half, less than a mile and a half off of I-94. It seems longer when I was editing, but measured out, it's only a mile and a half. So if you're coming off of I-94, it's not too bad of a stop, considering everything that is around it, for you to get off the highway and come that far to get a charge. Okay, so we're gonna take a right here. This isn't just a Meijer, this is like an entire complex of stores. Lots to do, lots to eat, and that's part of the reason I think this is a great spot to charge if you need to. It may also be possible to pull in here to the first one if you're towing something and you just use all of those extra parking spots. So keep an eye out for that one. 6 150 kilowatt dispensers. Let's take a look.
Oh man, this is a beautiful cable. I think a 4-year-old could plug this thing in. Nana Cable approves. Thumbs up for Nana Cable. All right, plugging in. And for all you credit card payers out there, no, I can't pay with my credit card because I want the discount. Because I've got the Pass Plus, and I'm gonna sign in here. Reconnecting to the vehicle. We're on station 4. Pass Plus. Used 17 hours ago. So not super use. All right, so we're gonna swipe to charge and picked it right up. One thing that's interesting on the Equinox is it's hard to see here in the sun, but the little bubble there that tells you what if you're charging or not. 48 cents per kilowatt. Similar to another one we went in by the airport. This is at the Meijer, and out in the parking lot, the far reaches of the parking lot, but there is a ton of stuff around here. I could fall into about 4 different restaurants if I wanted to from here. So thumbs up for amenities. We're at 46% right now and pulling 110. Which is a good start. 111. So I'm going to say that expected charging at 46% is, pretty satisfied with 111. So we're going to go thumbs up on expected speed. Minimal hassle. I didn't use the credit card, but I did use the app, and it was honestly 2 swipes, and we were going. The high pitch of this thing is annoying, but that's not really a hassle. So, minimal hassle, thumbs up. I think that gives us, let's see, Nana Cable, definitely approved. Minimal hassle, definitely approved. Speed. What are we still pulling? Definitely approved. We're over 111. And amenities. This place is like the gold mine of amenities. The only thing I don't see here is to clean your windshields, but there is a garbage can. So maybe there is one down 50 feet at the Tesla station. We'll check that in a minute. But there is another Tesla charger right over there, but it's Tesla only. 48 cents for the Pass Plus price, but if you don't have the Pass Plus here, it's 64 cents per kilowatt hour. So 16 cent savings for $7 a month is a pretty good deal. So 79%, and I'm not sure, but it stopped. I'm not sure if it stopped on purpose or not. And my phone, I might have bumped something in my pocket, but we're done. Good clean connectors, and we are on to the next charge. I'll see you there.
What if your next charge was at this same spot, but with new equipment? We've got bonus coverage for you. 2 days after we visited this location, it closed for an upgrade. We stopped back and we're pleased to see the new BTC machines replaced the older Signet dispensers from 2021. I read some complaints on PlugShare about the old equipment. Hopefully new equipment means it's much more reliable for all of the EV drivers out there trying to use them. I kept the station's 4 for 4 rankings. The one big difference is the cables are not twice as long, but certainly much longer than they were on the old equipment. All 6 single cable machines are still rated at 150 kilowatts, but we were pulling a good number about halfway through our pack. There are plenty of other Electrify America locations in the state that could use an upgraded equipment. I'm looking at you, West Milwaukee, Toma, Madison, and Eau Claire. I hope to see you at your next charge at an upgraded Electrify America station. We'll see you there.